but I think that we've been so accustomed to hearing those phrases that sometimes we can't sort out the myth from the reality. And this is an area that hadn't been flooded in 17 years, so as a consequence, folks just weren't anticipating and accustomed to the scale and scope of the destruction. I'm accustomed to it, but first I'm going to ask Coach to say a few words. So, as somebody who's accustomed to being criticized once in a while, I just want to give you some advice. Keep at it.
You're accustomed to making sure whatever the problem is your state is facing, actually addressing the problem.
We're accustomed to this. And oftentimes it will sweep very rapidly because there's no immunity and people aren't accustomed to it.